first clip here. And to do that, I'm going to just quickly turn this screen on. And we can now go back to the slate and see that indeed here is a screen showing the transition as an individual begins the practice of transcendental meditation. In the middle, the two lines in the middle are EEGs from the left and right side of the front of the brain, and the bottom is coherence. At the bottom, 0 to the top, maximum. And you can see, as we've just been talking along here, that the individual's brain has gone through a transition. You can see the left-hand side of the screen goes up and down at the bottom, for example. The coherence fluctuates between minimum and maximum. But right in the middle of the screen that you're watching, you can see that EEG in the middle tracings becomes quite enlarged. And you can see the coherence in the bottom graph goes very, very high, remarkably high levels of consistently continuous EEG coherence, indicating a very great state of coherence in the physiology. And in this, then, we want to describe why this is of significance and how we can understand it working. As we go back to our screens, then, we can see the principle of transcending, in which the mind, like an ocean, thoughts bubble up from transcendental consciousness, the self or Atma, and the mind spontaneously refines to deeper and more refined and abstract levels of the mantra as the mind settles down. And what before was unconscious and not available becomes conscious now. The brain is still working as it worked before, but now it's becoming more and more integrated, more and more coherent, and eventually transcending the finest level of mental activity to experience